your girl Mizuki and welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year for 2021. So today we're going to be starting to do the unboxing for January 2021 for the Artsnacks. So if you guys don't know, or if you guys are new to my channel, or if you guys are new to the Artsnacks whole thing, I'm letting you know what's the deal. So if you guys don't know what's Artsnacks, Artsnacks is basically a year or a month subscription, monthly subscription or a year subscription that you could purchase, and they will send you at least 5 full art supplies and then you get to test them. So basically every time they send you every month a new box with cool new art supplies to test out, stuff that hasn't been out yet, and then there's stuff that have been out for a year and they recommend you. They also have favorites, like an art a staff favorite, or they have like a certain specific like limited edition piece for Artsnacks, so that's actually really cool too. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing and reviewing the month of January for this year. And also the cool thing about these Artsnacks boxes is that you get a sticker and you get like a piece of candy, but obviously I ate that. So I've been collecting for so long, so let me show you. So these are all my stickers here, and I'm going to be adding this one. So this is for the month of January for this year's cool, one of my favorite colors, purple and pink. And like I said, I ate the candy. So let's start unboxing, which I did already. I'm sorry, I was just too excited for the year, for the first year to get the box. So we actually have 1, 2, 3, 4 art supplies. So you can get 4 to 5. It just depends on the size of the art supply. So the first thing we're going to start off is with the Shin Hang Art Touch Liners Cool Gray set of 5. So this retails for $16.15. So I'm guessing this is why that we had one less. It's because we have this big one right here. So I've tried Touch before and they are really good. So this is the gray, and then they show you here on the cover, this is cool gray, and they have a sort of different tips, and we have from 0.1, 0.3, 0.5, C, and B. So this is what it looks like. And let's read about it. So it says, experience the ultimate professional fine liner, Shin Hang Art Touch Liner featuring archival pigment-based ink, idle for precise drawing. And it says illustration and design. This cool gray set has all your drawing needs covered with 5 different nibs. And then I explained to you what the different nibs are, and it's 0.1 millimeters, 0.3, 0.5 brush, and chisel. So let's test them out. So first, before I show you the swatches, I'm going to come in close to show you all the different types of nibs here. So the first one is 0.1, and it's really fine. And that's for 0.1. The next one is 0.3. Nope. And this is the Chisel Tip. This is the 0.3. The next one is a 0.5. A little bit thicker as we go up, and then we have C and B. So for B, obviously it's for the brush, one of my favorites. I love brush tips. And then the next one is the Chisel Tip, which I also like because you can do different different type of fine lines with this. You can go to thick to thin, and you can also do calligraphy with this one. So that's the C. And here are the swatches. So here are the swatches from 0.1, 0.3, 0.5, B, and C. So as you can see with the Chisel Tip, you can do thin to thick, and then you can definitely do calligraphy on that, and I'll show you the different type of linear sizes here. So the next one for the month of January, it's going to be the Karin Deco Brush Metallic Marker. I don't know if it's called Karin or Karin. But this one retails for $3.51, and this is the staff favorite. So this is what it looks like. So I love anything with metallic. I've been always searching for markers that actually have the metallic look. Most of the metallic markers that I have look better on black paper, but for today I only have white paper, and this one actually has the brush, which I really love. and I'm going to show you a swatch. But before I show you the swatch, I am going to read about it. So then this is basically the staff favorite. It says, "Time to shine." The Karin or the Karin Deco Brush metallic marker is filled with metallic paint that stands out beautifully on both dark and light paper. It says permanent and light resistant once dry. This marker also works well on a variety of other surfaces, and it can even handle textured paper thanks to the durable, flexible tip, which is pretty cool. So I'm probably going to keep this one for myself. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the other ones. So if you guys don't know, every end of the year, I collect all of the Artsnacks that supplies that I don't keep. And there's a basket that I do keep. So the reason why I don't keep it is because A, I do have the same one. And B, I don't really use it. So I might as well give it to somebody that's going to use it. So that's what I do every year. So if you head down to my Instagram at Zuki Art, I will be doing the 2020 end of the year giveaway. So go ahead there and once you subscribe to my channel. So here you go. This is the Deco Brush. I'll show you guys again. And I'm going to give you a swatch. So here's the swatch. This is pretty metallic, guys. I actually really like this. I might order on Amazon or go to my art supply store and see if I can purchase the actual whole set. It's really, really nice. This one we have is called the Zebra M350 mechanical pencil, and this retails for $5.49. So here it is. As if you guys follow me on my channel, you know I love mechanical pencils, so I probably won't give this away. This is what it looks like. Very, very nice in structure. And this is what lead type 0.7. So let's read about this. So the Zebra M350 mechanical pencil is a solid and sleek pencil. Featured a 0.7 mm tip. This tool was made for everyday writing and drawing. It says experience the maximum comfort as you grip the textured rubber grip. With its sturdy metal clip and erase cap, this pencil is built to last. So that's pretty cool. The grip piece right here. And the last but not least, we have the Marvy Eugeta Pastel Le Pen Flex. I'm guessing, hopefully I didn't butcher the name, but yeah, so this ranges for $1.99, and the pen is right here, really cute. I'm guessing it's in the color yellow, and it says Le Pen Flex, made in Japan, which I love. Art supplies out of the country, very universal. And so let's read about it before I give you a swatch. But here's the little fine tip. It's so cute and tiny. I am very eager to try this out. So it says this pastel version of the Marvy Eugeta Pen Fine Flex is tres chic. I'm guessing tres chic. Featuring a slim body and durable brush tip, this pen will become the fast and favorite. It lends the user complete control, so each pen stroke appears exactly as expected. You'll be impressed by the vivid of its water-based dyeing. So it's water-based. So I'm gonna do a little swatch. I actually really like this. The way you definitely have control over it because of the small brush nib, which I really like a lot. And here is the swatch for here. So at the end of every video, I actually like to do and use all the art supplies that they give me for Artsnacks, and it basically says it here on your little price tag. It says take the Artsnacks challenge, use all the products in your box to create your own original art piece. And I always do it, and I always upload it to my Instagram and a hashtag Artsnacks challenge. So let's get to that, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna be doing more Artsnacks, and I would have to say welcome back, and I am so excited to continue doing the video. My next video is going to be regarding my merch, my Zuki merch, and all the information about it and what I have available. And yeah, so this is your girl Mizuki, and I am out. So I'm going to start out my drawing with the pencil, and that's the Zebra M350 mechanical pencil. That's how I'm going to outline the Zuki out first. I'm starting out with the Shinhan Art Touch liners in cool gray, the set of 5, and I'm using the B for brush. With these, if you can layer them, so same brush, and just went over it a couple of times, and it'll be darker than the first layer, so that's what you want to do. Next thing I'm going to start out is with the eyes, same thing with the brush. And now we are using the Marvy Eugeta Pastel Le Pen Flex. Like I said, I'm sorry if I did butcher the name. And then now I'm going to be using one of the fine lines. So we're going to be using 1 to go in here. And it seems so much lighter. The next one I'm going to do is 0.5. See how I changed that there? You can do different types of strokes, textures, and sizes with this marker, which is really cool. I like it a lot. So I'm definitely going to keep this one. Okay, and then the last one, we're going to be using the Deco Brush. And this is the metallic colors. Oh, it's so nice and pink. I'm going to use this as a cool background. And every time I use it, it's like the pigment comes out really, really thick, which I actually really love when it comes to like the ink flow releasing, which I really like a lot. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just like very watery. I like that. It dries up so quick too, so that's good. And that's it, guys. Hope you guys like it. It's really cute. I like it a lot. And those are all the art supplies. So I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna be doing more art snacks, and I would have to say welcome back, and I am so excited to continue doing the video. My next video is gonna be regarding my merch, my Zuki merch, and all the information about it and what I have available. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, which is all here and below, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And yeah, so this is your girl Mizuki, and I am out.